All right, I wanted to take a minute to talk about the Bilt hard log splitter we've got here. It's a 6.5 ton force log splitter. We've got operation simple, two-handed, drives just like that, retracts on its own. We've got the splitter down at the end. On the pro side, there's no, you don't have a motor or an electric motor, so there's very low maintenance. Another pro is that it's very low cost in comparison to other splitting options. Really, I think this was just over $300 the time I bought it. So very low cost, and you can get a lot of mileage out of that. Because there's not a lot to maintain, that's a big plus. After 150 hours, you're supposed to replace the hydraulic fluid. I bought an extra set for that, but it's going to be quite a bit of time before we get up to needing that, and otherwise low maintenance to maintenance free. We've got a good spot for it here. I'll show some of the wood we've already split, and then I'll show a little demo, splitting some really big logs. And just take a moment to thank the sponsor of this video, which could be you. If you end up wanting to buy this splitter, check out the description to the video. We've got a link to the splitter. We'll get a small amount of proceeds from that. Helps to keep this content coming, and we greatly appreciate it. All right, real quick, we'll do a close-up just to see the controls. Again, one hand on the lever here, one hand on the button. If you just do one or the other, it'll hold still. If you've got something in there and you want to rotate or something, if you just hold one, you can rotate it and it'll stay in the same position. And then if you hold two, it'll go forward. If you let go of both, it'll retract all the way. So that's kind of all the functionality that you have. You can see stuff we've already split, and we'll cut to a demo of it in operation. And that's it. I'm very happy with the purchase. I think it's going to provide us a lot of value, especially for the cost, a lot of benefit. If you're first time watching the channel, we do a lot of things with renewable energy. We've got the outdoor wood boiler, we've got a video on an indoor wood furnace, we've got a solar installation video. Everything we're doing is basically net zero fossil fuel energy for the homes, and a lot of short and medium term rental content that I hope we'll be able to get out soon. So go ahead and like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and we'll see you guys soon.